Money-making strategy number 3. Sell your photos. Have an eye for photography? Of course, you need to be good at this to earn any money, but if you can sell photos on ShutterStock or iStockPhoto, along with many others, to generate a passive income from something you might be very passionate about. For a quicker way to earn by taking photos, solicit people looking for photographers to cover their wedding, engagement, child's birthday, or any other life event. You'll need a good camera and some experience, but you can definitely earn some much-needed income this way no matter where you live. The internet is a great place for photographers to sell their photos. There are a number of ways to do this, depending on your experience level, the amount of time you invest, and the amount of money you expect to earn. Selling your photos basically means allowing someone to use your pictures in exchange for money. Keep in mind though that even if you allow someone to use your pictures, you are still the owner of the images. Where the pictures can be used and how is established by the type of license under which the images were sold. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.